Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about infrared burner for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 957,037,000,001. The infrared burner for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 957,037,000,001 is a high-efficiency burner designed to provide superior heat transfer and energy savings. This burner is designed to be used with Vulcan Hart's commercial cooking equipment, such as ranges, griddles, and charbroilers. The infrared burner is constructed of stainless steel and features a cast iron top plate for durability. The burner has an adjustable air shutter that allows the user to adjust the airflow for optimal performance. The burner also features a spark ignition system that provides a relay. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement infrared burner for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is designed to replace a faulty or worn-out burner and can help to fix symptoms such as uneven heating, inadequate heat output, or poor cooking performance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the gas supply to the Vulcan Hart range. 2. Remove the old burner and any other components that may be in the way of the new burner installation. 3. Place the new infrared burner into position and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new burner using a flexible gas connector, making sure to use pipe joint compound or thread seal tape on all connections for a secure fit. 5. Connect the electrical wiring to the infrared burner, making sure to follow all safety instructions. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.